the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering asset development. To use the Concert software builder, head on down to Applications under Library, select Add, select the software builder, provide a name, a description, a version, and a vendor. While a name is required, the other three are optional. Next, select your platform, your architecture, bits. We'll also be able to alter the CPU, memory, and storage of your application. Next, upload any installation scripts and any other files if need be. Select Finish, and you are now the proud owner of your very own application.
If you would like to learn more, feel free to check out the other video tutorials on this channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features articles which cover these topics in greater depth. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.